So hello guys, welcome to my garage again. First of all, this is my first video of 2024. I wasn't really able to create the content for so many different reasons. I'm not going into that. I want to apologize for quality of this video. I'm quite good for it, but unfortunately my GoPro camera, I only bought it last year, got broken, and I'm waiting for answer from the support of GoPro, because I'm heartbroken for it, and I can't really afford to get a new GoPro right away. So hopefully they'll be helpful, and I'm looking to get my GoPro sorted. So I'm gonna keep this video only shortly, and I want to show you my little progress in my garage, because if you've seen the last few videos, it was a big massive mess, and actually it still is quite a mess. But what's changed is I brought a lot of new shelvings. All of these shelves are coming from house clearance, so luckily I didn't pay a penny for those. But again, my biggest problem is it's still a winter time, and most of the stuff here in this big pile in middle between the left and right shelves is that's a car boots items. Basically it's boxes full of junk of all sorts, from books, DVDs, and all sorts of items. And because it's the winter time, most of the car boots I'm going to are closed yet, so I'm waiting to clear all of these items in the middle of. So as I said, I'm waiting for the car boots to reopen and get these boxes cleared, and then I'm looking to keep my garage mostly as my little eBay workshop, because I've got like not a lot, but I've got some more valuable items which goes for eBay. Like this is one of my last listings. This sells quite well. Then I've got the bags and bags of I've got loads of vintage tools, but not only vintage tools. I've got like all sorts of different tools, like these Swedish backhoe spanners are selling. That one actually is not the Swedish one, but I've got the snap-on screwdrivers. I've got here I'm gonna show you this. These are the Swedish backhoe spanners. This sells pretty well, made in Sweden. I've got weird items such as this one. I'm not really sure what am I going to do with this, but I'm just sure it's going to sell. I've sold a couple of those angle pose lamps. I've sold 2 of those yet, and third one is just getting sold. This is going to be the last one I'm gonna have to list. And then what I'm going to do right now is I'll just need to clear my worktop, and I want to do just at least couple of more listings to make a little more space. And then my main task today is to empty the small one. As you could see, most of house clearances I'm doing, I used to do house clearances with the big one, but this one was just I was clearing the small room for landlords. You know, every now and then the landlords got like a tenants who just disappear for some reasons and left all sorts of items left behind. So even though it's mainly a lot of mess, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna get out of this was basically my last room clearance I've done last week, and I had no time to empty this van, and this is the main thing I'm gonna have to do. I have to keep all of my vans needs to be constantly empty, because every now and then I can get, you know, like a new request for a new job, and if my van is not empty, then I'm struggling to do another job. So yeah, I'm going to do a couple of more listings, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna find in the small one from my last house clearance. So you'll see those things in the next part of this video. Okay, so I'm going to end this video because the weather is getting like really bad and I'm ready to go home. So as I said, most of the items is rubbish, you know, items like this, it's made of metal. I'm gonna scrap it at the scrap yards. Then some bags of full of kitchenware, which is like crappy rubbish. I'm just throw it into the boxes, as I mentioned, boxes for a car boot, and people just digging in it, and I always manage to sell lots of items. Most of the stuff end up anyway in the bin, but let's see what I found, because even in such a messy house clearance you can find some decent items. So I've got some pretty clean kettlebells. This one is actually all made of metal, so I've got nice kettlebells. I found some poker chips and these lovely gold cards. Let's see. As you can see, these are really lovely, made of 50-pound notes. And this nice watch box which stores 12 watch, so this is a really lovely item. Probably this one could be eBayable. And also I found the crossbow with the arrows, so am I gonna try this one later. I wish I could make a better video, but as I said, I haven't got my GoPro camera, so I'm gonna have to go now. And so here I'm just checking the last item I sold, and I'm gonna have to pack it up. I've got a few boxes already prepared, and I'd say this is it for today. So thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to support my channel. I'll bring you more videos in short time, soon as I'll be able to do so. Thank you.